A new fleet of Winnipeg waste trucks is set to offer a sleek, clean new method of waste collection. Emterra Environmental spent about $23 million on 60 new natural gas-powered recycling and waste trucks, a natural gas refueling station, and other upgrades. The new system is expected to cut greenhouse gas emissions for waste pickup by 20% over the next 5 years. Winnipeg's fleet, complete with decals of local scenes, will be the largest one of automated compressed natural gas-powered trucks in Canada. Emterra says the new fleet will be in action on October 1st. The greatest challenge might be coping with Winnipeg's winter weather.
We expect the winter, especially the first one, may be a challenge, but also a huge learning opportunity for us. But the way in which we've tried to, be proactive and plan for the winter is incorporating features into both the equipment, the collection equipment, and the fueling station. So on the fueling station side, we've added a dryer to reduce the moisture in the gas before it enters the truck, and also the nozzle that connects the pump to the trucks. We've added a feature that would prevent freezing, which are some of the problems that fleets in not even as cold climates have experienced.
Improvements to Emterra's sorting system are expected to be completed by the end of the year. Joanne Persega, Sun News.